Take any whole fish, I'm using tilapia, remove the scales and guts, cut the fins off and wash them 2 to 3 times. Make some slits until you see the bones on both sides. Sprinkle some salt, turmeric powder and ground black pepper and spread them evenly. Set them aside. In a huge skillet, add enough oil to fry the fish over medium heat. Once oil is hot, fry the fish until it turns light brown, about 3 minutes on each side. To make sweet and spicy ginger sauce, in a skillet, add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil over high heat. Into that, add 2 inches of sliced ginger root and half a cup of sliced bell pepper and fry for a minute or 2. Into that, add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, half a cup of sugar, 1 cup of white distilled vinegar, 3/4 cup of red wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of teriyaki sauce, a handful of fresh mint leaves, a handful of fresh basil leaves, and bring it to a boil over medium heat. Add salt to taste. Combine 1 teaspoon of corn flour with 2 teaspoons of water and add it into the sauce. Let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes and finally add a handful of cilantro and turn the stove off. Pour the sauce on the top of the fish before you serve. This crispy whole fish with sweet and spicy ginger sauce is so good. Try it today and let me know what you think. Thanks for joining. See you again soon with an awesome recipe. Till then, goodbye.